Hi, my name is Shivu Chakravarti, and I am a digital marketing freelancer, and I specialize in basically web designing. That is, I set up websites for customers, and I also have set up with Google Analytics, Facebook, and Facebook Pixels, Google My Business, and everything that needs to be done. Now, that is not the point that I am actually going ahead and giving this presentation. Basically, the presentation that I would actually be giving is to do with ready-made templates. Okay, so I have a whole lot of ready-made templates that are in offer, and they are definitely going to be of good use once you get to know how to use it. They are so very customizable that it would speed up your work performance. Presentation would be awesome in terms of your deliverables, so you could really get the maximum benefit out of it, and more so you could also get some good reviews from customers, okay, with regards to your presentations. So these are all nothing but customizable ready-made templates. So before I go ahead and demo give you a demo on it, I just want to show you from my uh, website out here. So it's very simple. If you want to get it, just go to askshibu.com. Once you go into askshibu.com, there's an option that says template. Click on that, and this is where you come into. All right. So obviously, just bear with me with the latency in my system. It's a little slow. So here, this is what I'm saying. Of course, these are the templates. I mean, there's almost around 14,000 PPT templates. There's around almost 10,000 icons sets. There's almost around 170 odd presentations, all PPT presentations. There are infographics that are there. So it's almost worth 30,000. But we'll go with the pricing a little later. I'm not going to talk about that. This is a sneak preview of what you expect, all right, in terms of the ready-made customized templates that you can get. Okay, so I'll be just quickly walking you through this. Here, of course, is a link for you to get some free downloadables that is there to play around and get accustomed to it. Okay, then here's the mode of payment that is over there. So we'll get into that a little later. Let me just start you off with what I'm actually going to go ahead and present. Just bear with me. The system is slightly slower, so that is it. Okay. So this is a customizable template that you are going to get. Okay. This is of course not going to come bundled. This is going to be free. The rest of them, it's all zipped. So once you get it, you unzip it, and this is what it is. So just let you show, of course. So here you can see a list of niches that you could play around with, specific to you, specific to your niche. Or even if you don't have a niche for that, you can also get a niche from here itself and start. If you are a newbie and wanting to start your what you call as digital marketing, that is there. Then of course, let me just go ahead and probably give you a demo. Let me just see anything that I can probably pull off the hat that is there. Okay, so you've got such a lot that is there. Let's take maybe a business or a doctor or anything. Okay, let's go with a business that is over there. It's kind of pretty common. So if I go with business out here, right? So here you can see once I open it up. Oops, let me see if it's open because it takes very, very long. Oh yes, I have it opened up. Okay, so just bear with me on this one. Okay, yeah. So here is to run your own business. So you can see everything is all tailor-made, right? So all you can do is just change it. So if I go over here, okay, and probably I can change the name out here. So John, I can change it to something else that I want that is there. Just give me one moment over here. Okay, let's say this is Ram. Okay, he is a businessman. The others, you can leave it the way it is. You don't need to make changes. Whatever you feel you need to make changes, go ahead and make the changes. Right now, he's having some problems. Here, you can identify what are the problems. Again, you can make the changes. Like, for example, say financial problems. Okay. Financial problems, let's say over here, it could be maybe a relationship problem. All right. The other problem could be driving traffic generated problems. So there are so many of these that you can, and as you keep moving around, you can just leave the way some of them the way it is, and some, of course, you can keep making some changes to it based on your specifications. Okay, so that is basically what it is about. Let me just close this. Let me just leave it the way it is. Minimize this in case I need to open it. Okay, Just give me a minute here. Okay, so this is it. Now, let me just go with the other ones that is there. Okay, so here you've got the icons. Again, you can see there are around 10,000 odd icons over there that you can, pull around with. I'm just pulling up one just to, work on it. It's a little slow, but you can see. Oh, let's go with this. So there are so many you can just, utilize. So any of the icons, especially if you want to utilize for your, if you're a website designer and you need to put in some icons, these are the ones you can put in. So there's such a lot that you can play around with. Let me see if there are more that's there. Okay, here of course some more presentation slides that can be played around with. Okay, that you can work with. Infographics are there. There are some infographics. Okay, senior manager. Okay, so you can take the agenda. Let me see if I've actually got that opened up. No, I thought I had that opened up. Anyways, so here of course you can play around with it again, customize it according to your specifications that is there. While that's opening up, just to save up on time, I'm just moving ahead and going with the others. There was one which is of course kind of important. I mean, you could probably play around with. Let's say Josh is this. So here there's a video out here which you can work on it. So once you customize it, you can then of course play it on a video. And that's just a sample piece. I have a whole set of video presentations which I will probably release later on. Not now, but maybe a week or two from now. Okay. Let me just play this one for you. System is a little slow, so kindly bear with me. Okay. So here you can change the name from Josh to whichever name that you want to. Add a tagline. You can add your own description to it. Then the interesting points you want to put in. Testimonials. So I guess you get the picture as to what how wonderful this particular template can be. Okay. So here. Let me see if I've got that opened up. No. Yes. Let me see. Okay. So while that's opening up, it's going to take some time. Let me just go ahead and explain to you this one that is my website out here and some other things. Just rather unfortunate. Yeah. So I've got it, as I said, I've explained it to you. Okay. Here, of course, as I said, being a digital marketer, so exactly. And I've also gone ahead and, done my certifications for international certifications from digital market. Of course, I am a student of Gaurav Gurbakhstani, so every day at 7 a.m. we have classes. We also have got to go ahead and do our certification. So I'll talk to you about this a little later. Not now because it's not my focal point, but since I did tell you that I've done my certifications, I just wanted to show you this. And likewise, there are other team members in our community that are all certified, digital marketers. that are freelancing too. So it's taking a little time. Now, while that is there, there's another one that I wanted to show you. Okay, so these are all the badges that we obtained from getting certified. Now, going back over here, it's still taking a lot of time to open up. Kindly bear with me on that. But there's one more thing I also wanted to show you. Okay, that is there. Let's take maybe infographics, banner infographics. So here you got AI, that is artificial intelligence. You've got Google Slides. You've got keynotes. If I look at Google Slides, you've got an upload template. If I look at it, I've actually got it opened up over here, where it shows you that you can upload your slides, into Google Doc that is there online. Share the links, and that way you are good to go. Okay, so while that is taking some time opening up, let me just go ahead and probably give you a demo, if at all. Okay, it's opened up. So here it is. It's got a very step-by-step information that is there. So you should not be having a problem as to how to upload and make changes. You can, even as you upload it, you could also go ahead and work on it online, that is there. Let me just check and see. Okay. And in fact, fortunately, I do have it opened up over here, just because understanding how slow it is. So actually, you need to go to this site, that is docs.google.com presentation -0 -u.0. Okay, let me just. The link site is also there in this template. In this template, the link site is there. But just to save up on time, so you can see how slow it's running, that way I can actually go ahead and give you a quick demo. Okay, while that is happening, okay, it's taking some time. I don't want to have you wait. So going back into this one, if you are interested in actually going ahead and grabbing these downloadable templates, which are all customizable, okay, there is a price that is there. Now, obviously, you've seen that it shows it's almost worth 30,000, but it's crazy if I'm going to offer you that much. No way. I'll not even bring it down to 50%. That will make it to 15,000. No way. I'll not even put it to 10,000, and not even to 1,000 for that matter. Okay, and because of course it's a first time offer, and I'm trying to help out our community and others that are in the freelancing world from here in India. I want to make it as affordable as possible so that you can take it up for grabs and make best use of it. So I'm not even going to give it to you at 500. Okay, so what do you think would be the price? It would be just simply 247 rupees. Okay, so that's about it. Just this much the price is. It's definitely going to go up. Not now. It's surely going to go up in about 2 weeks from now, a week or two from now. It's going to go up. So right now, as it stands at 245. So if you are up for grabs and you would like to avail it, do ahead, click on this, and once you get, you'll get an instructions. Once you get the instructions, it's for you to download the zip files, and then you can work on it. Now, since of course I cannot take a refund on this because obviously it doesn't make sense, so therefore, as I said, there is a free sample template that you would probably want to click here and download and play around with it and see how it suits you, and then you can come back, go over here to ashivu.com, and if you want to get in touch with me, my details are here. Okay, you can go into shubhuchakravarti@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on 833-4860-666. All right, and I'll be there to help you out with it. Okay, so let me see if this is up. Still taking time. Yeah. So here's it here. You could go ahead and play around with it. Okay. Let me just. It's actually already done for you. So let me just see if I can. It's just that it's very, very slow. So you need to just go into this one /u/0. Can you see this? Once you go into this, it then takes you to the Google, and then when you go into Google, then from there you can go ahead and download it. Okay, so it's going fast. I can go ahead and give you a quick demo very fast. So these are all some of the presentation slides that I've actually been working upon. All right, and they get automatically uploaded. I want to delete it, I can delete it. All you need to do is click into this folder that's there. Once you get into that, it then gives you an option to upload. Okay, so this is my drive. Go ahead and click on the upload. Once you get an upload, you can drag and drop the slide that is here or your PPT presentation. Else, you can just click on this selector file from your device if you have already saved it. Once you have saved it, just go ahead and select it and then upload it. Once you've uploaded it, share the link to your client, your potential client, and maybe that way you could probably get this thing. So once you close it, okay, you can see it's getting uploaded. You can also take a one which is not customizable, put it over here, and then customize it online itself, and then send off the URL that is there. Okay, so that is also another option that you have. As I said, it's taking a little bit of time, but I think it's a little faster than what I expected it to be. So that's about it. Yeah. So this is it. Okay, I had uploaded one, and of course you can make the changes that are there. This is one which I did, which is incomplete, and here you can see this icon for some video that's there, but there's not many in this one. In this collection, there's not many. There would be more coming up once I see how it is working out. Okay, DOHN. Okay. And then of course you can right. Then the cane thing, you can go ahead and do this. All right. So this is something that I wanted to demonstrate. So thank you so much for being patient and hearing me out. Bye then, and have a great day. Just give me a moment here.
वो बनाया तो हम ज्यादा हो गया हमने